Welcome back to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today is the topic transpiration for ICSC class 10 biology. What is transpiration? What is transpiration? The definition of transpiration is also an important point. The loss of water in the aerial part of the plant in the form of vapor is known as transpiration. You can prove it by doing simple demonstration to prove that transpiration occur in all plant. You should take a potted plant and cover it polythene. After half an hour, you should show the finally at the water drop let at the corner of polythene, and this polythene and show that there is a drop of water which confirm the transpiration, but it is very minute and you cannot see your naked eye. So another type proof is important. The another type proof is cobalt chloride paper. Cobalt chloride paper. Take the cobalt chloride paper which is blue in color, and after some drop of water escape out, then this blue color of cobalt chloride paper turn into pink, which confirm that there is a drop of water. If cobalt chloride paper of blue color converted change into pink color, then it is proved that there is water, and this water has come from the aerial part of the plant, which is transpiration. Hence, transpiration is confirmed. Now the second topic, how can you measure the transpiration rate? The measurement of transpiration. The measurement of transpiration is first of all weighting method. You can simply weight the plant with a small twig after half an hour. First of all, weight this device, and after half an hour again weight. You show that there is a loss of water after half an hour, which confirm the rate of transpiration. Second method is also weighting method, and this is a test tube and fill the water, and there is oil, and keep a twig to measure the transpiration. The function of oil to check the loss of water from evaporation. Be careful, the twig should be without root, because from xylem there is absorption of water and the calculation may be wrong. So the twig should be without root. Don't be confused. In the chapter absorption by root, there is a same experiment, but there is a root. Hence, there is a difference between absorption of root and transpiration rate experiment. The third method is photometer. Guinan photometer. This photometer confirms the rate of transpiration much accurately by taking colored water, and this water go to a tube, and this tube contains some twig, and there is a scale 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is a reserve wire to, after pouring the water into reservoir, create the bubble which at 0 point, and after half an hour you should measure the bubble from this position where to this position, and this is the rate of transpiration. Now the another important topic is kind of transpiration. Kind of transpiration. There are three kinds of transpiration. The first of all, stomatal. Stomatal transpiration occur through the stomata of leaves. And the second is cuticular transpiration occur from the surface of leaf. And the third point is lenticular, in which transpiration occur from the minute opening of old stem. There are three methods of transpiration. In stomata are closed at night and open at day to control the transpiration, which is controlled by two guard cells. Now, the another important point, factor of transpiration. Factor of transpiration. The some factor which is responsible for transpiration increase or decrease. The intensity of light. Intensity of light. If more light, more transpiration. Less light, less transpiration. It means it is directly proportional to the intensity of light. And the second point, temperature. It is also directly proportional, because in more light, more transpiration occur. In dim light, less transpiration occur. Velocity of wind. Velocity of wind. It is also a factor for transpiration, and it is also directly. It means more velocity of wind, more transpiration. Less velocity of wind, less transpiration. And other important factor is humidity. Humidity. It is not directly, it is inversely, because more humidity, less transpiration. Less humidity, more transpiration. So it is inversely proportional on the factor humidity. And other important point, CO2, carbon dioxide. It is also inversely. It means less CO2, more transpiration. More CO2, less transpiration. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is also inversely. Other important factor are the sunken stomata. Sunken stomata. Sunken stomata. If stomata are embedded within the leaf, then there is less transpiration, and it is help to reduce the transpiration. And next point is narrow leaf. Narrow leaf. Narrow leaf. If leaves are narrow, then there is reduce in transpiration, and loss of leaf is also a point for transpiration. Loss of leaves. In some plant, there is loss of leaf before summer comes. Hence, transpiration stop and reduce the chance of transpiration. Thick cuticle. Thick cuticle is also important factor for transpiration. If cuticle is thick, then transpiration is less. If cuticle is thin, then transpiration is more. It is inversely proportional. The next important point is the significance of transpiration. What is the significance of transpiration? Significance means importance of transpiration. What is the function of transpiration? First of all, cooling effect. Cooling effect. The transpiration keep the plant cool by continue providing the water. And the second point, it produce suction force. Suction force. Transpiration maintain the suction force by increasing the osmotic pressure in the leaf, and the neighborhood water drop come from root to the leaf, and this keep maintain the suction force. And the third point is transporting mineral. Mineral transport. When suction produce, then with water, mineral, important mineral for plant also goes to the leaf. These are the importance of transpiration. Now the other important topic is guttation. What is guttation? Guttation. In winter, you saw the drop of water at the margin of leaf. This happens when there is more absorption of water but less transpiration. So water come out from the margin of leaf, and these have hole, minute hole opening known as hydrothore. Hydrothore. Water comes from these hydrothore outside from the leaf. This is known as guttation. Other important point is bleeding. When some part of the plant injured, then mineral and water bleed out from stem, which is known as bleeding. This is the summary of transpiration. For the question and answer of transpiration exercise of Selina, Goel brother, or any other famous publication of ICSE board, you should visit icshelp.com to get the answer. Thank you.